Oh, Jesus. Alright, good morning, YouTube. Got me with my pants down here. Alright, yesterday we did About a Girl from Nirvana. Today we're going to keep moving on with Nirvana, Come As You Are. Standard E tuning. This one wasn't a request, but I just wanted to follow some Nirvana tunes to show some people who might be beginning to play guitar some easy songs to start with. This is Come As You Are. I'm going to slow it down. Open, open, 1, 2 on the top string. 1, 2, oh, 1, 2, oh, 1, 2. Then the string underneath it is open. We're gonna go back and forth. I play it with 2 fingers like this. Get used to that. Get into your rhythm. Play along with a DVD or a CD, with YouTube, whatever. It will help you. So just to show you one more time. Alright, so we're going to move on from there to the bridgey part. Memory. Memory. I dropped my pick. You're going from the F. This is an F bar chord, okay? So top finger, or index finger, top string, 2 frets over. Just do your power chord and add your baby finger, very top string. Memory. Now you can switch it. For the acoustic version, it might sound better if you do your A chord down here. Doesn't matter which way, any way you're comfortable with it. So that's the bridgey part. Now you get into the chorus. When I swear that I don't have a gun. No, I don't have a gun. No, I don't have a gun. Back to this part. Gonna get into the solo now. Sorry, the bridgey part, I'm getting too far. The bridgey part is it's the same power chord as this, but you're moving down, so your index finger's on the 2nd string, and you're doing your power chord that way. So it's just down 1 string the exact same way. To the 5th fret. Now you can also switch this one here, to the D, the power chord D right here. Whatever you're comfortable with, it don't matter. For the acoustic, this way kind of sounds better. Into the solo. 1 finger on the G string, that's how I do it. 4th fret, to the 4th fret, to the 7th, to the 9th. From the 9th to the 11th. From the 11th to the 9th to the 7th again. Back to the 4th. Whoops. Fuck. That's the closing part I like to do. Of course, you're going to hear little mistakes here and there, blah, blah, blah. It's fine. You know what? Making mistakes is a part of life. Don't worry about that. You're going to get comfortable with it. It's going to get easier and easier as you go on. If there's any more requests, don't be scared to send them to me. I'm getting a lot of requests lately. I'm actually getting backed up. I appreciate everyone who has subscribed. I appreciate everyone watching. So don't be afraid to smash that subscribe button either, okay? And above all, keep jamming, everybody. Thanks for watching.